Heck, let's actually take a look at some of these options. Option #1. Tree Boolean Banner Rotator. $34 for just a one-site license with only 1 year of updates, and it does not come with a banner creator like Adtivate. Option #2. Ads Pro Plugin. $57 for just a one-site license with only 6 months worth of support, and it does not come with a banner creator like Adtivate. Option #3. WP Ad Center. $47 per year for a one-site license, and it does not come with a banner creator like Adtivate. As you can see, we could have easily charged between $37 minus $57 for just a one-site license, and sold it all day long to the mass public market. Heck, we could have also easily charged a monthly fee and/or yearly fee for an extended site's license like those competitors as well. Especially since we know how vital it is to be able to quickly and easily display ads on your sites. Plus, when you create your account today, you'll also be securing these amazing bonuses. Bonus 1. Exclusive 5-site license for free. $200 value. This alone is a massive bonus that we could have easily charged extra for. Especially when our competitors are charging the same amount that we're charging for a single site license. And not a single one of our competitors has a built-in ad creator to quickly and easily create your ads within minutes. You must act fast though, because this 5-site license bonus is extremely limited. This is way too valuable of a bonus to keep up after our launch. Bonus 2. Access to our built-in banner creator. $97 value. This is another feature that we could have easily sold as its own upgrade. Heck, we even had it all planned out already for it to be its own upgrade. We had our whole sales page written up and everything. We were going to sell it for between $67 minus $97. However, during this limited time launch special, you get to secure our banner creator feature as a free bonus. This will allow anyone to go from creation to deployment of high-converting offers to your sites in record time. Plus, our built-in templates make everything even easier to use. Bonus 3. Agency rights included, so you can monetize your clients' sites too. $497 value. It's not just your sites that need to be monetized, right? If you run an agency, then it's also extremely important to maximize the profit that your client sites make. The only way that clients will keep hiring you for your services is if you're able to deliver results. Leveraging Adtivate on your client sites is one of the easiest and fastest ways you can increase their sales. And we know that we could have easily sold this as an upgrade for $297, $497 or more. Especially if you land just one client that signs up with you at $500 a month. That would more than pay for your agency rights. However, you get it as a free bonus for signing up today. Bonus 4. Geo-targeting feature to skyrocket conversions by displaying the most relevant ads by location. $97 value. This is easily one of our most powerful features for skyrocketing your conversions. Our geo-targeting feature allows you to get super targeted with the ads that are shown on your sites based on your visitor's location. This is also powerful for your client sites as well. If your client only services specific areas, or has different specials discounts for certain locations, you'll be able to utilize our geo-targeting feature to get really targeted with your offers. This is another feature we could have easily sold as its own upgrade because of how powerful it is. Talk about some insanely awesome bonuses, right? Yup, we have really stepped the value up on this one. And you can get access to everything we just mentioned above at the crazy, discounted, one-time price you see below. Yup, 0 monthly fees. All you have to do now is choose the package that's right for you. Light. 1 2-site license. Access to all banner types. Access to pop-up overlay ads. access to keyword to ads feature, access to bot traffic blocker, full traffic stats of banners, access to automatic start-stop feature, access to 1 year of updates, unlimited access to our tech support. Bonus, access to our built-in banner creator. Bonus, access to geo-targeting feature. Bonus, agency license to be able to use on client sites. Normally $77 month. Get it now for the one-time discount you see below. Zaire Blight 15. Most value. Pro agency. 1.5 site license. Access to all banner types. Access to pop-up overlay ads. Access to keyword to ads feature. Access to bot traffic blocker. Full traffic stats of banners. Access to automatic start-stop feature. Access to 1 year of updates. Unlimited access to our tech support. Bonus, access to our built-in banner creator. Bonus, access to geo-targeting feature. Bonus, agency license to be able to use on client sites. Normally $97 month. Get it now for the one-time discount you see below. Zaire Agency 50. And of course, we also have a 30-day, double your money back guarantee. Yup, we're so confident in how powerful and how much value Adtivate can provide to your business that we're willing to put our money where our mouth is. That's why we're doing a double your money back guarantee. Just show us that you put Adtivate into action in your business, and if it doesn't do everything we said it would do, we will, without hesitation, give you double your money back. At this point there's not much else to say. You either want to be able to quickly create and add offers to your sites, or you don't. You either want to maximize the profit that your sites make, or you don't. You either want to have access to the easiest and fastest ways to monetize your sites, or you don't. You either want to pick up Adtivate at the best possible price and value that you will ever see it at, or you don't. However, if you do want to pick up the best, fastest and easiest plugin to deploy high-converting offers to your sites at the best price you'll ever see it at, I highly recommend picking up your copy now.